got the Subaru Harman-Kardon out of a 2018 Outback. You can see the delamination on it. It's pretty bad. So I'm going to show you how to disconnect the screen so you can use the head unit. We've got a number 10 Torx for these 4 side screws. So you take out the 4 side screws. And then you take this part out, you gotta give it a pull. You might need to pry it a little to get it out. There's little tabs. And it plugs in to this part, so there's no wires or anything. So you set that aside. And then there's 4 screws here that I need a number 9 Torx for. I don't know if it's just my 10 doesn't fit or if they are actually 9. But take out these 4 on each corner of this metal plate. And then you'll have to take this metal plate off. You might have to pry it in a few spots where it's really like tabbed into the plastic. So the metal plate comes off and then you're left with this part. This right here is the ribbon cable for the touchscreen. So you're going to want to unhook this. So this black part pops up. So it just pops up like that, and then you take the ribbon cable off like that. Put the black part back down and put it back together. You'll still be able to use your steering wheel controls, but you won't be able to use the touchscreen. But the touchscreen won't ghost anymore, won't change anything. You might not be able to use like Android Auto and some features, but at least you'll have a screen that will stay on and work, and you can use your steering wheel controls to control it. And then you just put it back together the same way you took it apart, and that's it.